Hi there, my name is Shukla and I'd like to say namaste and welcome to Holistic Chamber of Commerce, Columbia, Maryland. As a president of this chapter, there are three main reasons why I opened up the chapter. First reason is so that holistic-minded individuals, heart-centric entrepreneurs, and business owners can come together and grow together. Second reason is so that we can build a community of network that passes referrals from one person to the next. And the third most important reason why I built this chapter is so that we have a family for you to belong to. So to join us at our meeting, all you have to do is click on the link below, and we are meeting in Maple Lawn, Maryland, and we personally would love to welcome you. With that in mind, my name is Shukla, and thank you so much for joining at our next meeting and taking a look at our chapter. Namaste and thank you.